Well, coming up later, right here on South Florida Today, we're going to show you how plastic surgery may be the answer to a new problem. Too much hair? Well, your plastic surgeon may be able to help. We'll show you that health story in just a few moments. Well, up next, our Health Across the Ages takes a different look at plastic surgery. We're used to hearing about breast augmentation or liposuction, but you're probably not used to hearing about how plastic surgery can help remove hair. Take a look.
Hey there.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Cosmetic surgery has long been associated with vanity and movie stars, but it is becoming more and more common every day. And sometimes it can be just as life-saving as any other surgery. Take the case of Ann Penderlith, who had an adverse reaction to hormone therapy following an ovarian cyst. The hair growth that occurred as a result had far-reaching implications on her life.
Always seeking for a way to get rid of it, always knowing that there was no way. I started out with, I remember my grad night, I tried to, by myself at home, wax it, and what ended up happening is I had a tremendous rash all over my face. Okay, so that's a bad idea. Then I decided to start shaving it because I just didn't know what else to do with it. I think a few years ago I heard about laser surgery, more than a few years ago. I'd say maybe like 5 or 6 years ago when it kind of first started coming out. And always tried to call doctors' offices and see if I could, you know, have a consult with someone. And no, they wouldn't give me a consult. It was just a matter of coming in, paying, having the procedure done, and that was it.
Ann continued searching until she found Dr. Randy Miller, a specialist in cosmetic surgery.
This is a lady who came to our medical day spa with a tremendous amount of hair growth on her entire body. Her face, her back, the front of her body, her arms, and it's really affected her in a very, very negative way. We then determined that she'd be an excellent patient for this hair removal laser that we're going to do. Specifically regarding the laser, it is a 1064 NdYag laser, and it's a new laser technology that has really helped us with complete elimination of unwanted hair on the body.
The process is a little painstaking because you do have to let the hair grow for about 6 to 7 weeks before you can actually shave it the first time to have the procedure done. And that is probably the roughest part, is having to let the hair grow. But after you do it the first time, then another 6 or 7 weeks go by and you see the return growth. It's like half of what it was before.
Today is Ann's last treatment, and the hair removal therapy has changed her entire outlook on life.
A desire to actually want to improve upon my looks. I was known for going into work wearing a dress and sneakers and having my hair pulled in whichever direction, could care less about makeup, could care less about, you know, I don't know, the little things, you know, just not caring about my appearance. That's number one. So I guess I'm more social now than I was before, more apt to being social, I guess.
It doesn't matter if it's a trauma patient, if it's a cancer patient who's had a major reconstruction, or it's a cosmetic patient. And when you can help somebody, it just helps them overall. They feel better about the way they look, they feel better about themselves, and it just affects every aspect of their life, their personal life, their professional life, and it just gives them a whole new outlook on things.
Sit up here on the table.
Now, for those who underwent the unique procedure, they say it can be life-changing.